the yellow mango. Mittu was a parrot. A green parrot with red beak. One day, Mittu was flying. He loved to fly. He looked down and he saw a big yellow mango on a tree. Mittu liked mangoes and he wanted to eat this mango. He flew down on the tree. Cow, cow, this is my tree. Go away, said the crow. He had a very loud noise. Mittu was afraid of the crow and he flew away. One day, Mittu saw a red balloon under a tree. He picked the red balloon with his beak and was very careful not to burst it. He flew to the mango tree where the crow was sitting. The balloon was burst with a loud noise. The crow was afraid and he never came back to the mango tree. Mittu came to the tree and ate the big yellow mango. And he was very happy.